So this is Hillbilly Regina George having the police check her backyard, her electrical panel, talk to her about how the internet works, talk to her about weather, and then of course checking out her basement in order to see if Sean Porter is hiding in her basement. There's like dialogue on and off as he goes from floor to floor, sweeping the house for Sean Porter's and his minions. Listen to this lady just lie her ass off. I mean, you know, like all these threats and stuff. Look, all I did was publicize your bad acts. And then people called in because they didn't like your bad acts. And she's making the whole thing about her restaurant. And she's just running her mouth. And long story short, I reported on a story. And I gave my commentary. And this lady has been just saying horrible stuff about me, my family, my kids. But it all stopped like last Thursday. Hopefully this will be one of the last videos we have to do about Dan's Tap House, or as I like to say, Dan's Empty Corner, because it's a corner restaurant and it's now vacant. Anyhow, guys, watch all the way to the end because there's more dialogue at the end, and she just starts blaming me for like everything. I think global warming's my fault. The hole in the ozone layer is my fault. It's ridiculous. Y'all have a good one.
Hello.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's all right. It's quite all right.
I know I'm being paranoid. It's just me. I got home and everything was the lights were off. And then I turned everything on and I was doing my thing. And then in a normal world, I'd be like, it's a power jump.
Yeah.
But there's this guy, Sean Porter.
Yeah, he used to be around Frederick a lot.
And he's going after my business like full scale. And that's okay with his followers, and we've been getting like death threats, like the days are numbered, we're coming for you guys, like there's going to need to be deaths, like all kinds of really scary stuff.
Okay.
And like I was like scared to look around here by myself. I mean, I had the house locked before I got. I just, you know, like I said to the dispatcher last week, on Thursday, this was right before they had the protests at my business. It was so weird. The police, like, 2 officers showed up. I was home with my 4 kids. They're not here right now.
Okay.
And they were like, "Oh, we got a 911 call from your address." And I'm like, "What?" And they're like, "It was anonymous, but we traced it like right here." And I was like, Jesus, because I don't know if somebody was like working out there on a burner phone or if you can bounce a Jeep. I was just like Sean Porter.
And if anybody's in the vicinity, they'll just peg it to the closest address. So it could have been even as bad as somebody just driving by.
Okay.
Like, just, it wouldn't necessarily be somebody in your backyard. They just ping it to a closest radius.
Okay.
So, I don't know if you'd like me to look around. Or,
if you don't mind.
Yeah, no problem.
Like, can you check the...
Is there anywhere you want me to start or finish, or like start with the base? Okay. I did look around at the windows downstairs. I didn't see any issues down there. I didn't see any issues with your electrical panel either. I'll go look around the basement. I didn't see, by looking through the window and the sliding glass, I didn't see any like wet footprints or anything. So, is this the?
Yeah, that's the basement.
Sheriff's office. If you look around down there's no drywall.
It's a work in progress.
I don't know. It looks awesome.
Okay. Maybe like I haven't even gone back in my bedroom or bathroom.
Is that upstairs?
No, that's downstairs.
Oh.
And then maybe clean upstairs too.
Yep, no problem.
Sorry, it's a mess.
No, it's all right. I got kids too. Sheriff's office. puppy.
She's friendly.
What are you doing?
Luna. She's 6 months. She's like curious.
Oh, wow.
about me. These two are like, I think I had Barbara.
I'm gonna check this.
Okay. Yeah, that's just my kid's bedroom. Luna.
Everything looks good.
I'm so sorry.
Nothing to worry
I
about.
it's just been, like I said, my whole staff, like they're finding their cell phone numbers and calling them and harassing the business. Just like we're getting Facebook messages. It's just really, really.
No, I completely understand your concern. But nope, everything looks good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yep.
I can sleep at night now.
Yep. If you have any other concerns, absolutely call us back. All right.
Okay, thank you.